We had summer-like hot temperatures today, but how long is the warm weather set to last? We'll have all the details on that later on in the programme.
Is here, as I said, perfect conditions for the solar farm today, but just how sunny has it been throughout the month so far?
Well, it has been a sunnier than usual April, and I think no surprise really, is it, considering this week the glorious sunshine we've had, but quite a lot overall, more than we would normally see. So this is how much we'd seen in average April, 219 hours of sunshine. Now, as of today, as of yesterday even, we'd already had 275 hours of sunshine, so quite a bit higher than that. Today's total hasn't been counted yet, but it's predicted by the end of today that we could reach 288 hours of sunshine.
Right.
So that's about 30% more than we would see compared to the average. And it has made for some really lovely weather photos as well. Lots of you have been getting out and enjoying.
A very good job of making us all wish we were on the beach right now. But it's not just us feeling the heat, is it?
No, London is looking to be very warm as we head into tomorrow as well. And actually, all of us are doing a bit warmer than perhaps some holiday destinations. So tomorrow, we're at highs of 24 degrees. So it is really going to be very hot over there.
You would not want to have been in London today, would you? And of course, we've got Liberation coming up next Friday. Are these temperatures set to stay?
Well, I think there's a bit of a clue because we're at highs of 24 degrees tomorrow. We had highs of around 26 degrees today, so already slightly starting to go down, and that trend is going to continue over the next few days. And the reason for that is we've had easterly winds, but if you look at the source of our air, it's from southerly air from further north that we can see in the blue colours here is headed towards us. So that does mean that our temperatures are going to be dropping off, and we can see that when we take a look at the outlook here as well. So could be down by 10 degrees by Monday with highs of 14, but actually we have been a good deal warmer than average, and actually around 14 to 16 degrees is more what we'd expect at this time of year. But let's get all your other details now. Well, it was the warmest day of the year so far. Not quite an April record, but highs of nearly 26 degrees. And of course, with that, lots of sunshine and blue sky weather and bright conditions throughout the day. And as we head into tomorrow, it's still going to be warm tomorrow, but there may well just be a little bit more on the way of high cloud and more cloud generally as we head into the weekend. That's also when temperatures will continue to drop cooler, a bit closer to what we'd expect for the average at this time of year. And there's the chance of a few spots of rain, very slim chance tomorrow, but more likely as we head into Saturday and Sunday. Now, the reason for this is high pressure that's been over us is starting to shift away as this area of low pressure moves through. That's what could bring us some showers as we head into the weekend. But as far as today goes, none of the wet weather. It's completely been dry. You can see not a cloud in the sky. So we had lovely dry conditions, blue skies, and clear skies are going to be continuing as we head into tonight. The wind starting off moderate but easing down to a light breeze still from that westerly direction, and it is going to be a mild night. Minimum temperatures of around 14 to 15 degrees, so more what we'd expect for a daytime value at this time of year. Heading into tomorrow, it's looking like we will once again have some bright spells. As I mentioned, just a bit more high cloud, turning the sunshine hazy. Another warm day to come though. The winds generally light to moderate tomorrow. There's just a very small chance of a shower later on in the day, and it could get a bit cloudier then as well, but more likely to be dry than not, with maximum temperatures of around 24 degrees. Let's get our times of high water then between 9:45 and 10:30, later on between around 10 and 11 p.m, with the sea temperature almost at 12.5 degrees. So moving through the week, mainly bright tomorrow, and temperatures gradually getting cooler as we head into next week.